Hello, everyone, and welcome. If you have been trying to speak English but still feel nervous, this video is for you. Today, I will show you how to start speaking English the easy way. You do not need perfect grammar. You do not need a big vocabulary. You do not need a foreign accent. You only need the right method and a little daily practice. Stay with me until the end because I will share simple tips that anyone can follow, even if you are a complete beginner. Let's begin. Many people think they must study English for years before they can speak. That is not true. Think about how children learn their first language. They do not memorize grammar books. They listen, they copy, they make mistakes, they keep speaking, and little by little, they become fluent. You can learn English in the same way. The first step is to stop waiting for the perfect moment. Many learners say, I will start speaking after I learn more words. Others say, I will speak after I finish this grammar book. Some even wait for years. But the truth is simple. You learn to speak by speaking. You cannot become a good swimmer by reading about swimming. You must get into the water. In the same way, you cannot become a confident English speaker by only reading books. You must use the language every day. Now, let me ask you a simple question. How many English words do you already know? Maybe 100, maybe 500, maybe even 1,000. That is enough to start speaking. You do not need thousands of words for simple conversations. You only need the most common words. For example, you can say, hello. I work every day. I am learning English. These are simple sentences, but they are real English. Start with easy sentences. Do not try to speak like a professor. Speak like a beginner. That is perfectly okay. Now let's talk about fear. Fear is one of the biggest reasons people never speak English. They are afraid of making mistakes. They think people will laugh at them. But remember this, every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. Every expert made mistakes. Every teacher was once a student. Mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are your teacher. Every mistake helps you improve. So the next time you make a mistake, smile and continue speaking. Do not stop. The more mistakes you make, the faster you learn. Now let me give you a simple daily routine. This routine only takes 10 to 15 minutes. First, listen to simple English for 5 minutes. Choose a short video or podcast made for beginners. Do not worry if you do not understand every word. Just listen carefully. Your ears are learning. Second, repeat what you hear. Pause the video after each sentence. Copy the speaker. Try to use the same pronunciation and rhythm. This is called shadowing. It is one of the best ways to improve your speaking. Third, speak by yourself. Stand in front of a mirror. Look at yourself. Introduce yourself. Say your name. Talk about your family. Talk about your hobbies. Talk about your plans. It may feel strange at first, but after a few days, you will feel much more comfortable. Fourth, learn 5 new words every day. Not 50, only 5. Write each word in a notebook. Then, make one simple sentence with each word. For example, if the word is happy, you can say, I am happy today. If the word is book, you can say, this book is interesting. Simple sentences help you remember words much better than long lists. Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. Hello, my name is. I live in. I am learning English. I like reading books. I enjoy watching movies. I want to speak English confidently. I practice every day. I never give up. Excellent. See, you are already speaking English. It does not have to be difficult. Now let's learn another important habit. Think in English. Many learners first think in their own language. Then they translate into English. This takes too much time. Instead, start thinking with simple English. When you wake up, say, "Good morning. Today is a beautiful day. I need breakfast. I am going to work. I am going to school. The weather is nice. I am feeling happy." These small thoughts help your brain become faster in English. Another great tip is to describe everything around you. Look at your room. Say, "There is a table. There is a chair. The window is open. My phone is on the desk. The fan is moving. The room is clean." This simple exercise builds your vocabulary naturally. Now let's talk about pronunciation. Many learners worry about having the perfect accent, but communication is more important than perfection. Speak clearly. Speak slowly. Do not rush. Native speakers also speak slowly when they want to be understood. Confidence is more important than sounding perfect. Remember this. Clear English is better than fast English. Another helpful habit is reading aloud. Choose a short paragraph. Read it slowly. Listen to your own voice. Repeat it again. Every day your pronunciation will become better. You will also become more confident. If possible, record your voice. Listen to yourself. At first, you may not like your voice. That is normal. But after a few weeks, you will notice a big improvement. Recording yourself is one of the fastest ways to improve. Now let's talk about conversations. Many people say, "I have nobody to practice with." That is okay. You can still practice. Talk to yourself. Describe your day. Tell a story. Explain what you are doing. For example, "Now I am making tea. The water is hot. I am adding sugar. The tea smells nice. I am drinking tea." This may sound simple, but it is powerful practice. When you do find someone to speak with, do not worry about mistakes. Focus on communication. Ask simple questions. What is your name? Where are you from? What do you do? What are your hobbies? What is your favorite food? What did you do today? Simple conversations build strong confidence. Now I want you to remember one important rule. Do something with English every single day. Even 5 minutes is enough. Do not study for 5 hours one day and then stop for 2 weeks. Small daily practice is much better. Learning English is like planting a tree. You water it every day. Slowly, it grows. One day, it becomes strong. Your English grows the same way. Be patient. Do not compare yourself with other people. Compare yourself with the person you were yesterday. If today you know one new word, that is progress. If today you speak one more sentence, that is progress. Celebrate every small success. Every step moves you closer to fluency. There will be days when you feel tired. There will be days when you feel slow. Do not quit. Keep going. Success belongs to people who stay consistent. Remember, fluency is not magic. It is the result of small actions repeated every day. One sentence today, another sentence tomorrow, One conversation next week, another conversation next month. Soon, you will realize something amazing. English is no longer scary. It becomes a normal part of your life. Before we finish, I want you to repeat these positive sentences with me. I can learn English. I can speak English. I am improving every day. Mistakes help me learn. I am becoming more confident. I will never give up. I believe in myself. Excellent. These simple words can change your mindset. Believe in yourself. You are capable of learning English. Thousands of people have done it. You can do it too. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this lesson gave you confidence and motivation to start speaking English today. Remember, do not wait until you are perfect. Start with simple words. Speak every day. Practice with confidence. Keep learning, keep smiling, and most importantly, never stop believing in yourself. Your English journey starts today, and every sentence you speak brings you one step closer to fluency. See you in the next lesson. Take care, keep practicing, and have a wonderful day.